multiplication and division of a polar form. Multiplication and division of a polar form. Let z1 is equal to r1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 be one of the complex number, and z2 is equal to r2 cos theta 1 theta 2 plus I sin theta 2 be another complex number. Therefore, if z1 into z2 is multiple, then r1 r2 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. On simplification, on multiplication, on multiplication and simplification, we get r1 r2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2 z1 z2. That means if there is a multiplication of a two complex number, then their argument will be added. Their argument will be added here. That means here theta 1 and there is theta 2. Therefore theta they comes in a combined form, that is theta 1 plus theta 2. Similarly, if we division for division if z1 divided by z2 r2 divided by cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 divided by cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2, then this can be written as cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 minus theta 2. On simplification, we get cos. On simplification, we get cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 minus theta 2. If we perform a division of a two complex number, therefore result will be this type. Okay. One question. So that argument of z conjugate is equal to 2 pi minus argument of z. Here let z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore, argument of z equal to, that means theta. Argument of z equal to theta now, and z conjugate is equal to r cos theta minus I sin theta. That means r cos 2 pi minus theta minus I sin plus I sin 2 pi minus theta. This can be written as 2 pi minus theta because according to the cast rule, 2 pi minus theta lies in this quadrant. In this quadrant sign is negative, therefore plus minus, that means this value matches. Therefore r cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to written. Therefore argument of z conjugate is equal to 2 pi minus theta. That equal to 2 pi, and this theta means argument of z. Therefore argument of z conjugate equal to 2 pi minus argument of z. Proved.